Welcome to my shed. Come in. In today's episode, we're gonna see how to repair any kind of garment. So from the down jacket to a 3-layer jacket, sleeping bags, tents, backpack, you name it, it's important to know how to repair your gear. For such basic repairs, there are some tapes that are amazing and that will cover most of the holes and that will stop any hole to get bigger, or that will stop you from losing all your feathers, like this is the case here. I basically went on a campfire this weekend and went a little too close to the fire. So now I need to fix it because it's important for the planet to give the longest life possible to all our products. First step, we're gonna make sure that all the feathers are back into their house, so they're not gonna glue on the tape. And then it's really important to have a very clean material. So water is a pretty good solution, but then you're gonna have to dry it really well. And then you should count roughly 2.5 centimeters away from your tear. It's like going back at school, it's great. Like the gluey part on one side, and then we slowly take out the paper, making sure that we don't leave any air bubbles in there. Make sure you press it down really well. This part is super important. That's it, this is done, and that's the good thing with this repair. You put it on, you're good to go. Maybe my view on this is that maybe a repair should not be something which downgrades your jacket, but to the contrary, it's something which tells a story. It kind of tells the story when you hit that tree in that crazy forest, or jump down this crazy cliff and hit a rock at the bottom. You know, all of that, it's like a good scar. You need to be proud of it.